When the customer, the client, the seller, the buyer, when they think of Sothebys International Realty, I think they are thinking about their life, their lifestyle, how they connect that brand with the world's finest properties.
It's obviously more than just the property itself. It's about the lifestyle the buyer will enjoy, and their creative really brings that to the forefront of their marketing. I think one thing that Sothebys International Realty has done really well is to act in the vanguard of marketing, but not in a way that is just new for the sake of new. It's about using technology, using different methods of delivery in a way that tells the story better.
High-end video is incredibly important to a luxury consumer. First of all, video is sight, sound, and motion. And it allows for a luxury consumer to be in a place that they can't otherwise be.
I think technology is a huge part of today's real estate market. I think the statistics are over 80 or 90% of the people are first looking on the internet and they come to a property through the internet. I think that taking the time to have amazing photography and videos takes my property to everywhere it needs to go and into the hands of the people that eventually buy the house.
There are many benefits to reaching the New York Times audience. The most important benefit for Sotheby's International Realty customers is that they're reaching the most influential and affluent group of potential qualified buyers in the world.
When we interviewed with Sotheby's International Realty, it seemed that their resources were so vast, the international network, the access to an affluent community of potential buyers, and we just had confidence that the marketing of our property through Sotheby's International Realty would be successful, and it turned out it was very successful.
Looking at their means of advertising, where they advertise, the quality of the advertising, the quality of people that you're dealing with, their desire to please their clients, they really grasp the project and they put their whole being into it.
The auction house, at the same time, is located strategically around the world as well, aligned with our offices. And that's a very, very powerful part of the Sotheby's International Realty brand.
They're going to get a certain level of experience and expertise in a market that is very competitive and very hard to reach. They understand that that's the kind of level of expertise that they need today to sell their home.
It's clear to me that they're always going to be at the forefront of marketing. Whether that be utilizing virtual reality to tell stories, whether that's utilizing new technology in different ways. I'm really intrigued to see what they want to do next.